Hey guys, and welcome back to the Outdoor Channel. This is a little bit of an impromptu video, and if you saw the title of the video, you know we're talking about our new 15.6-inch infotainment screen or head unit that we got from AU Car. It's been in the truck for about a month and a half or so, and as I'm getting ready to leave today to do a bunch of errands and running around, it decides to not work. Now, if you're not sure what this is, and you're not following along with the channel, we took the stock 8-inch screen out of the truck, and it surprises me that GM still uses a small screen in some of the lower trims, but they do. Move things over like the brake controller and USB ports and things like that. Wired in, it's pretty much plug and play, this new 15.6-inch touchscreen. And like I said, I've been using it for the last month and a half. Although it's not perfect, it is working well until we get to this morning.
Welcome to the outdoors. Welcome to the outdoors.
So here's what it looks like, and to demonstrate, the truck's off, and we're going to go ahead and start this up. And normally what takes a moment, we've got nothing here, right? And we can try to turn the power on. I've tried kind of basically everything, like hold it or, you know. And naturally this is happening all when I'm driving in an area I'm not familiar with, so no GPS, no radio, no backup camera. Fortunately, I'm Gen X. I learned how to drive without backup cameras and GPSs, but when you got a big lifted truck and you're trying to fit in the tight parking spaces, having that camera is a little helpful. So we got it back home, and we're going to see if we can try to fix this. All right, so I've gone through and checked like all the obvious things I can think of. No fuses are really like out of place or blowing, anything like that. And I'm kind of running out of ideas. So there is a local dealer here in the US. His name is Mitch. The name of his company is Radio Edit Automotive. If you don't want to try to deal with the folks in China and get their tech support, he's a guy you can reach out to. Again, I'll leave the link over in the description. You guys can check that out when it's convenient for you. He has a recommendation that we're going to try that includes resetting the screen here, and we're going to see what that looks like. So what he said is there's a little hole, and you can see that right there, right below this control, between the fan knob and the HVAC controls, and that should serve as a reset. You'll need something small to put in there. Now it looks like there's a hole there as well. Not sure what that one's to, but we're going to go ahead and try the recommended one over here on this side. I'm going to use this little push pin here. I took off the top so it's not so pointy. You could use this, you can use a paper clip, a really small itty bitty like screwdriver, and I'm just going to hold it down for a moment. I'm not really sure how long to push it down for, but let's see what happens here. Okay, I need to zoom out here. It took a moment, but I am now getting this on the screen now, which I had nothing before, so hopefully this is a good sign. Okay, so that did the trick. I thought this thing was bricked. I was like getting ready to go through and okay, this is a warranty issue. It's only lasted 45 days or so, and it's broken. And at the end of the day, it's a tablet, an Android tablet at that, and it just needed to be reset for some reason. All right, that's it. Like I said, a quick impromptu video. Wasn't entirely sure how this was going to turn out, but I'm glad it worked, because I did it live with you guys and I wasn't sure you know, how it was going to go. So thank you to Mitch and your company, Radio Edit Automotive. Again, I'll leave that link over the description, whether you're looking to purchase one of these or just need a quick hey, I've got this wrong with it, need some tech support, can you give me a hand? He's very quick to respond. He's here local in the US, so you're not trying to wait for somebody in China to get back to you, all that good stuff. So thanks for watching. Again, appreciate a like and subscribe. I'm a little channel. Every view counts. So we'll see you next time.